This is a 2002 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It has a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a power driver's seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, a security system, dusk sensing headlights, air conditioning, and aluminum wheels. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Family Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 170 York Road in Carlisle.